my name is Nige, but everyone calls me Nige, so you already know, you can call me Nige. Today we're going to be talking about Black-owned wineries. I am so excited to do this video. To see myself in the wine industry is super big, and I think that even though my platform is very small, that I should be, recognizing the great Black wine makers and wineries around the country. There's just not enough representation in the wine industry simply because Black people do not realize that this is an industry for them. It is dominated mostly by white, rich men, and I am super non-traditional. If you haven't recognized, I don't sit up in here in a suit. I don't sit up in here talking Oshkosh. That's not me. I want to do something that's bigger than myself on this industry and in this world. So let's get started. I want to start with one of my favorite wineries pretty much of all time. I'm going to talk about Theopolis Vineyards. It is founded by Leah. She used to be a trial lawyer and had such great success, but then turned into a winemaker. And let me tell you, this was one of those I found on Twitter, didn't know this was a brand, and when I found it, I searched high and low for it, and I am obsessed with her Petit Syrah. It is probably one of the most delicious Petit Syrahs I've ever had, and I will go to the extremes. If I see it, I will buy it. It's one of those type of situations. But she is located in California in the beautiful Sonoma County, which is pretty much like top tier where you should be growing grapes in California. So it is amazing to see someone have such beautiful wines in some place that you don't really see representation of Black women. So I just definitely wanted to point out that this brand is for my experienced drinkers. They kind of know what they like, but they want to experiment a little more, or they want to, just be open to trying what they like in a red variety and just trying different brands. So I definitely recommend this. If you're in the California or just the West Coast, you'll probably find her brand a lot more than people on the East Coast like myself. So I kind of got to search a little harder, but I travel a lot. So when I'm on that coast, I stock up. So the next brand I'm going to be talking about is the Guilty Grape. The Guilty Grape was founded by twin sisters, Nichelle and Nicole Nichols. I want to make sure I said their name correctly because I have a name like Nige, and I have heard it all, trust me. They use micro vineyards in California. So pretty much they use smaller wineries to produce their grapes, which is awesome, which means that their wines aren't super mass produced, which is awesome. It really is something to be incredibly proud of. They are definitely known for their rosé Zinfandel. I am not a big rosé fan, but I used to really enjoy Zinfandel. Zinfandel is one of those, like, I hate to call them women wines, but like women just gravitate toward them more than men I have seen, but definitely does not take away by how delicious and crisp and fresh their wine is. But also I know they have a mango, I believe, wine coming out soon, and girl, I want it. Okay, I already pre-ordered, but yes, I am so excited to be talking about these lovely ladies. They want to make wine a known staple, in your home. I want to say that this brand normally capitalizes on a few notes that I recognize: mango, pineapple. Also, they have really nice wine accessories. Like, they have some beautiful wine glasses. They have some beautiful like accessories for your wine bar, or for your collection. Such beautiful glasses. Definitely not your typical flute, not your typical red wine glass. Love how beautiful and crafted these are, and they're so pretty to look at. Like, I'm definitely like a packaging person, or I love to have glasses just like sit places that are really pretty. Oh, definitely, if you just want to collect glasses like I love to do, definitely buy from the Guilty Grape. For the next vineyard, I'm going to move completely out of California, and we're going to go to Chicago. Chicago has Love Corkscrew, a vegan wine brand founded by Krishan Lampley. I am obsessed with her wines. I think the names of her wines are so cute. One of my favorite is Touch the Sky. Oh, so beautiful, light, crisp, When I first got into wines, this was definitely one that I searched once again high and low for, because I just saw so many people rave about it and I definitely needed it in my life. So if you're in the Midwest, try this. Definitely if you live on the East or West Coast, you gotta search a little harder, but if you track them, I'm pretty sure you can find them. Really known for their really cool catchphrases. I recommend this brand for people who aren't really sure about wine yet, don't know if you like sweet, don't know if you like bitter, you don't know yet, but you also don't want to spend like an arm and a leg, which I completely understand, because you definitely want to see what you like. So I definitely recommend this brand for my beginners to get your feet wet, you know, see what you like, buy a few bottles, you know, see, taste, enjoy, smell, use all your senses. But I am completely obsessed with Touch the Sky. I love Corkscrew. I love their branding. I love that they're vegan, okay? A lot of companies aren't vegan. Wineries, I know people who want to eat healthy. That also includes their alcohol, which is nothing wrong with that. And of course, I couldn't have made this video without talking about the first Black winemaker in Oregon, Brittany Faston. Honestly, Abbey Creek is one of those brands I had no idea was made by a Black winemaker, and I am so intrigued by the way that he uses fermentation to create his wines and how he just encourages Mother Nature to do what she regularly does, and it's not his job to interject, it's just to let her do what she normally does and just take out all of the variables that could possibly contaminate it. I love that. Love that. First Black wine maker in Oregon to record, okay? He is for more of my experienced drinkers, okay? But he is so wonderful. Like, his tastings are legendary. They call him the hip hop winemaker, which I was like, why in the world would they call him that? And then when I heard that in his tasting he plays like good, like old school hip hop, like what? Like, why wouldn't you want to go to a taste making like that? Like, why wouldn't you want to go to a tasting that you get to listen to good music that isn't elevator music and I drink wine? That sounds like a perfect day to me, you know what I mean? This is definitely for my individuals who want to try bigger grapes, more powerful grapes, more natural grapes. Just want to experience and experiment a little more. I definitely recommend Abbey Creek. If you see it, grab it. You definitely know that it means a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this pretty short video today, but I definitely want to kick off Black History Month with history in my industry and in the wine world. The wine world is dominated by older, rich white men, and I am so over it. I want to see more Black winemakers. I want to see more Black sommeliers. I want to see more Black people enjoying and embracing what we already do and want to do it to a higher level. I love everything that these companies do. I would not be sitting where I am at without looking to these individuals. I kid you not, I did not know being in this industry was possible because I don't come from an affluent family. I don't come from money. I don't come from knowing people and, I can get you in here. No, I have to work for everything that I have. I'm still working for everything. These people are just the same. They've worked, they put the time in, they're paying their dues, and they're producing such beautiful wines for the community to consume. So how could I not use my platform to tell you guys places you should be trying, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching. This month is going to be jam-packed with so much Black history and Black love, and it's gonna be packed, and I hope you're ready. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.